everyone, welcome to my Ruby on Rails movie review app. I'm just going to walk through the application so you can see how it functions. Again, it's just for reviewing movies. So right here is the kind of like the homepage here. It has this big Jumbotron message for if a user is not signed up or logged in. This will, sorry, I should say if they're not logged in. It'll have this Jumbotron message to get them to sign up to write a review, or they can sign in. So we're going to actually sign up because I have cleared my database. So I'm just going to add some dummy accounts. It'll have an error if the inputs are wrong, so we'll just like make a bad password. And it'll tell you up here that the password confirmation doesn't match and that it was too short. Do it correctly? Cool. It'll tell you if you signed in correctly. Now, this right here is the movie's index page. So we'll go ahead and create a movie so we can get something there. We'll do Iron Man for this one. Let me grab the description here. Also, I have some validators in there, so let's just, so I don't have anything filled out, but here are some of the error messages that will pop up. Alright, cool. Once you create a movie, it'll take you to that movie's show page, and again, it'll tell you if you've successfully created a movie or not. And also, when there are no reviews, it'll have this message here. So let's go ahead and add a review. We'll give it a 5-star rating and say this movie is awesome. Create that review. And the reviews will go in descending order down right here. So yeah, so this user here has created this movie, so they will also be able to edit it. So we'll see a bunch of ends there. This right here is using a paperclip gem, so we can grab images or files off the computer. So we can update that movie, and you'll see it is now updated. If a user wants to edit it and then they decide not to, they can hit back. Previous editing is still there. Or they can hit the home page to go to that index page. You can click it and go back. Let's go ahead and change this back to Iron Man. The user can also, there's a delete function, but we're not going to hit that right now. Cool. So yeah, and then here it has the rating that the user gave the movie and also comment. So the user can go to a nested route, which is movies reviews. As you can see here, it'll take them to a nested review show page. It's very basic, but there's the rating, the comment, and the user. They can edit it. We'll say 3. This movie is kind of bad. We'll update it. And there you can see that the stars have also changed, as well as the comment. The user can also delete their own comment, and then it'll have that message up there again. So let's do 5 again. Cool. So that's the new movie tab. Here's their account tab. They can change their name. They'll have to enter their password. Let's just say we don't. It'll give you that error message. Cool. And now that username is also changed in both areas. Also here, it'll show the movies that they reviewed, not the movies that they created, but the ones they reviewed. So that will be at the user show page. So they can click it and go back. If a user doesn't put anything in, it'll take them to the index page of the movies. I'll show you this feature when I add another movie. So let's log out. And as you can see, there's the movie there again. Because this is really the movie's index page. It just shows this if the user's not signed in. But it will display the movies. But if they try to click it, they have to log in. So let's go ahead and sign up. We'll use our third-party authentication system here. And they are now logged in. So I'll just show how this works. And now there is a new user. Now that user cannot edit anyone else's comment, and they cannot edit anyone else's movie. Okay, and so let's add another one. We will do Aquaman this time. We'll grab the Aquaman description here. I think it was James Wan. And we'll grab a movie poster, add it. Cool. Now, for this user, they shouldn't have anything in their reviews. Oh wait, of course, I forgot I wrote that. Well, here, I'll show you how this works. So, again, if they delete their review, it's gone and it's no longer as a movie that they reviewed. Cool. Add that comment back. You can also input a number instead of using the, whoops, I cannot type. Instead of using that. Cool. 4 stars this, and that movie is now back. Now, let's go to, so as you can see, there are now 2 movies that have been created. If we go here, we can type, well, really you can go anywhere. We'll type in Aquaman. And this is using a gem called Search Kick. So it'll, it helps a user easily find a movie to see if it's been reviewed. We'll say Maze Runner. We don't have that movie, so it shouldn't show anything. And if a user doesn't input anything, it'll take them back to that index page. So, yeah, you can even, this movie was made by James Wan. That's the director, so we can even put James. And it should pull up Aquaman still. Yep, cool. That's that. So let's add a review for this one. And now that user will have 2 movies that they reviewed. That person cannot edit that movie, but they can edit their movie that they created. Cool. Let's also go ahead and delete this user. Now, this user has a comment for Iron Man, but if we delete that user's account, that comment will no longer be there. And as you see, it is now gone, as well as here. Yeah, so that's pretty much the base of that. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. Don't believe so. Yeah, cool. All right, thanks for watching.